I bet you didn't know there's a tiny fruit packing a huge health punch. Introducing Camu Camu, your new best friend. Camu Camu is a small sour berry from the Amazon rainforest, but don't let its size fool you. Packed with vitamin C, it has 60 times more than an orange. That's right, 60 times. Say goodbye to colds and hello to a stronger immune system. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants. These little powerhouses fight off free radicals, keeping you looking young and feeling vibrant. And that's not all. Camu Camu can boost your mood and reduce inflammation. Talk about a triple threat. Incorporating Camu Camu into your diet is easy. Add it to your smoothies, sprinkle it on your yogurt, or mix it into your favorite juice. So why wait? Give your health the boost it deserves with Camu Camu, the superfruit sensation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time, health enthusiasts.